Hello everyone, so if you wanted a fingerprint on your Xiaomi Redmi 13, open up your settings. Now I gotta scroll down to your fingerprint, face data and screen lock. Open it up. Now tap on the fingerprint unlock. So first, if you don't have any password, you are to set up a password. So let's set up a PIN. Press got it. Now you are to enter 4 digits, at least 4 digits, it can be more. Confirm your PIN. Alright, now fingerprint sensor is located right here on the bottom of our device. So what are we to do? It's right on the power button. So you are to hold your finger up and down on your power button. Use your whole surface of your finger from the left side to the right side, from the top to the bottom, because we need it for our phone to recognize our finger in any possible position. Alright, so as you see, it was added. You will be prompted to add some face data, so if you want to do that, you can do that. I'll skip it for now. Press cancel, so we can give this fingerprint a name, so fingerprint me, for example. Press done. And basically that's it. Now, if we want to try to unlock our phone, we can do this just with our fingerprint. Let's do this. And just like that. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.